Hi folk, this video aims to show you how to modify your normal style heading 1, 2 and 3, which are absolutely the main styles that we use. There's a whole heap more styles right here, but for now let's just concentrate on the normal style, and we want to create a shortcut key for this. This Word version has been loaded on my computer, so it's brand new, and you'll see that heading 1, for example, has blue color and it's just a nightmare. So right click on normal, and I want to show you how to create a shortcut key. Left click, shortcut key, and I've already changed it, Alt N. So you just hold Alt down, tap in. You can create any kind of shortcut key. It could be Control K, but I use Alt N and then Alt 1, 2, 3 for the headings. So there it is, it's in normal, and I close that, and I want it new documents based on this template. You don't realize, but the template we're in presently is the normal template, so that will apply to all new documents. Okay, so now we've got heading 1. And I want to modify heading 1. A little bit more work to do now. I don't want heading 1 being blue, I want it black. I am happy for it to be bold. I don't want it to be Calibri 16, I want it to be Calibri 14, for example. I want it new documents based on this template. Left click, and I want to change the shortcut key to be Alt 1. I held Alt down, tapped 1. Assign, close. So now Alt 1 is Calibri 14. I've got some other text there in normal, and now I want heading 2, and I don't want to have to come up to heading 2. I want this to happen automatically, so right click, modify, format, shortcut key, Alt 2, close. Bear in mind I can format the font. I can format it through here, or simpler, I can just do it right here. I want that to be bold, so we'll make it bold. There's other things to think about in here, but we're just getting the core elements done. Okay, so Alt 2 now gives me heading 2. I've got some more text, and then I want my heading 3. Right click, modify, format, shortcut key, Alt 3, I've already done it, close. I want this new documents based on this template. Alt 3, and there we go. We've created the bulk of our shortcut keys that we need. I can turn that into Alt N straight away, because normal is Alt N, Alt 1, Alt 2, Alt 3. There is some of the most useful Word-related things that I do. In another video, we'll cover how I make use of the ribbon up here. But for now, good enough.